Hi everyone. So today we are going to see the second question of exercise 4.1. It is a continuation of our last question. So the question remains same to represent the situations in quadratic equation. And the question is, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So what is given in the question is Rohan's age is given as 22 years plus mother's age, and also one more information which is given as product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So first we can let that Rohan's mother's age is X years, or Rohan's age is X years, anyone. So if we are considering Rohan's age as X years, then mother's age will be X plus 26, and if we are considering Rohan's mother's age as X years, then Rohan's age will be X minus 26. So here I am taking Rohan's age as X years. So Rohan's mother's age will be X plus 26 years. And next, which is given as product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So Rohan's age after 3 years will be X plus 3, and Rohan's mother's age after 3 years will be X plus 26 plus 3. And their product, that this product of X plus 3 and X plus 27, the product of these two ages will be equal to 360. This is what given in the question. So we will equate it like this: X plus 3 multiplied by X plus 29 equal to 360. Now using the same identity which we studied earlier, we can expand it, that is A plus B multiplied by A plus C is equal to, it is just the cross multiplication of each variable over the brackets. So it will become X multiplied by X, which is X square. Now X multiplied by 29 will be equal to 29X, and next 3 multiplied by X become 3X, and 3 multiplied by 29 become 87. So 29X plus 3X will sum up to this 32X. So we can write the next step. So next step is taking the constant or equating it to 0. So we can take the 360 from the right hand side of the equation to the left hand side of the equation in order to write this in the form of quadratic equation. As we all know, quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So we will reverse the sign of 360 when we take to the left hand side of the equation, and then we will equate this equation to 0. So 87 minus 360, we simplify it to minus 273, and we will equate this equation to 0. Hence we are represented this equation in the quadratic equation form. Now we will see the next question. Next question is, a train travels 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had taken 8 km per hour less, then it would take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Now we need to find the speed of the train. So it's written like the train is traveling with a uniform speed, and it will take it will take a specific time to cover 480 kilometers distance. Now if the speed is reduced 8 km per hour, to travel or to cover the same distance, that is 480 kilometers, it will take 3 more hours. So to begin with, let the speed of train be x kilometers per hour. So time taken to travel 480 kilometers will be equal to 480 divided by x. Now what is given is, if the speed is 8 km per hour less, then the time taken will be how much? It will be 3 hours more. So we will substitute this x minus 8 and time 480 by x plus 3, which infer that if the speed is 8 kilometers less, then time taken will be 3 hours more. we all know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. So we will substitute x minus 8 and 480 by x plus 3 in this equation and equate it to the distance 480. Now this is just cross multiplication, sorry, it's multiplication over the brackets. So we will distribute this x to this 480 by x, which will give this term. Then x multiplied by 3, which will give this term. Then we have minus 8 multiplied by 480 by x, which will give this term, and minus 8 multiplied by 3, which is this term, and we will equate it to the distance. So we know that this x and x will get cancelled out. So we have 480, then plus 3x, then minus 8 multiplied by 480. 8 multiplied by 480 is 3840 divided by x minus 24, which is equal to 480. Then we will multiply this x through all the terms. So we will get 480 by x plus 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x whole divided by x, which is equal to 480. So take this x to this side by cross multiplication. So we get 480x plus 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x equal to 480x. Now take this 480x to this side of the equation by subtracting it. So we will get 480x plus 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x minus 480x. Now 480x and minus 480x will get cancelled out. Now we have the remaining 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 equal to 0. Now 3 is the common term in the first term, that is 3x square. Then in 24x also 3 is a common term, and 3840 also 3 is a common term. So we can take the 3 outside and then cancel out by equating it to 0. So we get 1x square minus 8x minus 1280, which is equal to 0. So equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Hope you all understood. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.